Okay, hi everybody, and welcome to our second building challenge. Today we are attempting to build a farm. In creative mode, there are about 6 players joining today, and we will watch them as they all attempt to do their best. At the end of the video, don't forget to vote on who you think won. Don't worry, we'll give you a good idea of what each person's creation looks like. We'll give you the full walkthrough. Okay, and just so you know, my name is Steven, and
I'm Joe,
yes, we are your
and we are
commentators
your
for
hosts
today.
today. We said it at the same time.
It looks like
Two
they're
great
having
minds think
fun.
alike.
That's right.
So we're gonna get this thing started up pretty soon and see who builds the best building. As in building, I mean farm. We got Dakota in
Starting
lot
in
8.
starting in 1 minute.
In lot 7, we got Bob Snake 2. In lot 6, we have no one. Well, we had someone, but they had to leave. How great is that? In lot 5, we got Tucka. In lot 4, we have no one currently. In lot 3, we got Herobrine. In lot 2, I don't think we have anyone. In lot 1, I'm pretty sure we have Ryan. And that consists the players for our building contest today, which will be starting very soon. So we start this off with a big bang. See who's building what here.
Looks like Robert's starting with the field itself.
Oh, yeah.
I think he's the only player that is doing that.
Yeah,
That
he's
is
the only player that's
interesting to
really
note.
started the actual farm. Everyone else has been doing... Ryan just fell through the earth. Not to worry. Oh, and we have a new player to join. Maybe he will... Nah, it's probably too late to join.
Yeah, more than likely.
It looks like this guy's got some lava going on, which is really cool around the garden.
That is kind of neat. I wouldn't have thought of that.
And he's covering up a sponge.
Who is this guy?
Tucka? That would be Brandon Lorzell.
That is Tucka. Okay.
He had a little lava spillage. Wasting time, wasting time. When there's no time to waste.
They only have half an hour, remember. So the pressure
only
is
half
on.
an hour, and in lot 7, looks like he's already got some plants growing here with the old bone meal trick. Not much of a trick, just common sense. There's Dakota. Still building this wooden shack. Seems to be doing a fairly well job at it. I think he's a bit unsure of what he wants to do with it right now. Oh, it looks like we got a couple other people actually starting in the actual garden. We got Herobrine over here that's making a couple rows here with the old classic give it a couple spaces garden. Ryan looks like he's going for something unique. Oddly shaped garden.
That is a nice one. I shouldn't say it's nice yet, because who knows.
And then Herobrine Shack over here is very odd with the wood and the black wool around it. I really don't know what's up with that yet, but we'll figure it out very soon, I suppose.
Yeah, the black wool's a nice touch.
Tucka's almost done with his lava. And he can actually start building on the actual garden, which is something to be very concerned about. Because if you don't have the main part of the garden done, you know, what's the garden without the garden?
It looks
Tucka
like he
seems to
spilled a
have
little
some
bit in this
random...
corner.
Tucka seems to have some random emerald placed around here. Which, I don't really know what its effect is to be yet, but I suppose we'll figure it out very soon.
Okay, now guys, I'm going to speed up this video, And what takes place in half an hour here is going to seem just like a few minutes to you, because we're not going to make you sit here and watch for half an hour straight. And I'll see you when the few minutes are up.
All right, we're going to start with lot 1 over here.
Okay, lot 1. This one was built by Ryan.
So we're going to need Ryan to give us a little tour of the house.
From the outside, it looks very interesting. You can see cows all along the outside.
Looks well
User
lit.
entered your channel.
There are trees. Well, not a tree, but like a tree house type thing. Okay, Ryan, lead the way. Each player will have 2 minutes to show us their place.
Seems like a pretty nice place up here. Nice and cozy.
It is a nice place. I like the nice panoramic view out here. You can
Yes.
see
At
the
first,
other.
at first, I thought the garden was kind of stupid because, you know, there was no clear way to walk along the lanes. But then I realized you can just crouch and it doesn't kill the crops. So I guess it's all good.
User entered
Well,
your channel.
actually, if you don't jump
True.
at all, it won't break.
I hear someone talking in the background over there.
I believe that is Hero Brian. Speaking of Hero
Yes.
Brian, it's now your turn to show us your house. So go ahead and lead the way.
Okay.
Might want to turn up his volume a little bit.
Okay, we're taking.
he's
Oh,
fine
no,
on my
I
end.
gotta turn yours up. My bad. Yours is probably okay.
Okay. You come in here. Here's my house.
All
Nice
right,
little
let
bed.
me be amazed.
Ooh,
Main
there's even
feature
a
is the
book in there.
basement.
A nice disc player.
This is the main feature. Going underground.
Ooh.
So intense.
I have a
Get
chicken
that
coop
nice
farm.
view of a lava. Lava's
Yeah.
yeah.
Yes.
over there.
That's interesting. Okay, so nice little hut.
Gonna kill you.
Nothing too big. But it gets the job done. Here we got sheep, pigs, and lots of wheat.
He's killing his animals.
And that's all the time we have for this one. Let's move on to the next. Let's have a look at Tucka's house.
Oh, look, there's some creepers here. Make
That's
sure you don't
nice.
blow those things up, please.
Okay, so here's his barn made of lapis lazuli. And one pig.
And
He got in trouble
very
earlier
clearly
for making
states
too
that this
many
is
animals.
His barn. His chest is locked, so I cannot open it.
He has a sniping
Pretty
deck
sure
up here,
there's
it looks
cocaine
like.
in it.
More than likely.
There's this one pig, which is beautiful.
The chest is empty. That's okay. And now on to Robert's house. Lot 7. Welcome to Old Man Bob's farm. It's kind of a nice theme.
Oh yeah, kind of an old-fashioned theme because
Unstable
old,
farmhouse.
unstable farmhouse, and it's very tall.
I don't know. I don't like the ceiling. Bit square.
Hey, you're not a
Got a
judge.
bed. It's a little cramped up here, but hey, it's only for one person, so what the heck?
I'm not judged, but I'm just critiquing. I'm influencing you guys.
Technically, he is a judge because he's going to be voting.
Yeah, you're the judges, not us. We just go over a very basic understanding for the people that are going to be judging, you know?
And last but not least, Dakota.
All right, Dakota's going to be giving a typing one.
Prepare to be amazed.
Saw it coming.
Ooh, he's got the chest organized.
Animal feed. Oh, that's nice. Oh, but I don't have permission to open it.
Kind of
None of
handy.
these.
Basic things in here.
There's a skeleton.
The pigs are
That-
kind
that's
of
nice.
escaping. That's okay.
What are these cauldrons? Like I want to go into these, but I can't.
This is more of an animal farm. There's not much
You
for
usually
wheat,
can.
it looks like. A little
Uh,
patch here and there.
You have to shift and go in it. Or not.
Okay. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Okay, that seems to be the last.
All right, so
And that concludes our touring. Now it's up to you to decide who won. So go ahead and follow the link in the description of this video and feel free to vote for the top 3. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.